Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Afterpay on Target app. So without further ado, let's get started. This process is actually pretty simple. As long as you follow this video step by step, then you'll have no problems doing so. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you've downloaded both Target and the Afterpay app on the App Store. Once that's downloaded, you want to head on over to your Target app, do all your shopping, buy whatever you want, and after head to the checkout page. From here, you're going to see two options down below. You want to click on checkout or pay. If you click on checkout, you're going to be provided a list of different payment options. All you want to do is add a payment method and add in your Afterpay. Type in all of your information and you should be good to go, and you can continue shopping and check out with your Afterpay. If you want, you can add any discounts you want and just simply place your order. So enjoy your shopping experience, and if this video helped you out today, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and if you have any further questions, leave a comment down below. And if you encounter any more problems, I encourage you to reach out to support either on Target app or Afterpay. So thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.